So from this velocity time plot shown figure, find the distance traveled by the particle during the first 40 seconds. Also find the average velocity during this period. Okay, so this is a velocity time graph. We know that area of a velocity time graph equals total displacement. Okay, total displacement covered. That's the area under a VT graph. That is a velocity time graph. Same like area under a speed time graph gives us total distance. Okay, area under a speed time graph gives us total distance. So this is a velocity time graph. We know that speed equals mode of velocity. Okay, that is speed. So first we converted this graph into a speed time graph. Okay, this graph. From this graph, we are like creating a speed time graph. So this is speed. This is 5. So speed is mode. Okay, mode of the velocity time graph. It will be like that. So the negative portion also become positive. Okay, so this is a speed time graph. Now the question is find the distance traveled by the particle during the 40. So we just have to find this area under the curve. We get distance. So this is 5. This is 0. You know that area of a triangle is half BH. So here area equal to half into base, that is 20 into what is height 5. So that's the area of this portion. Both portions are same. Okay, so that means total area equals into 2 to cancel, that is 100 meter. This is the total distance traveled by this particle in the first 40 seconds. Now you have to find the average velocity. Okay, so average velocity equals total displacement by time. Okay, so we know that displacement is the area under of a velocity time graph. So we just have to find the area of this graph. Okay, that is, what's the area of this portion? That is half BH. Okay, it's half into what is the base? 20 into 5. Then what's the area of this portion? That is negative. Okay, that is minus half into base, that is 20 into 5. That means the net displacement is 0. Okay, that means average velocity is 0. So from this velocity time graph, area under the curve gives the displacement. Here the total area equals 0 because this is a positive area, this is a negative area. So the average velocity during this period is 0.